Okay, now. I'm scrolling down. I'm scrolling up. Oh, this dollar store mouse sucks. Time to get a real mouse. Da 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 da! The Pro Logitech. Well, this is definitely better than a $4 mouse from the dollar store. So I'm going to give this one a try and see how it goes. Requirements. I am so excited to open this up. I'm going to use these pairs of scissors. Okay, now let's open them up. Well, I like to cut the protection thing at the side here. There it goes. Oopsie, I'm scratching it up. And let's do the other side, shall I? There we go. So now we're getting this baby opened because I decided to make a quick little box opening video. So here it comes. And what's inside this baby? Oh, it fell out a little bit there. Oh, just the way how I love it. Oh, nice long wire. And it's nice and cloth threaded too. Nice. Nice and clicky. Has nice gritty rolling. There's a mouse there. Ooh, a G Pro gaming mouse. Logitech G Pro gaming mouse. And yeah, that's it. Sorry, I'll do one proper show. There we go. 2 buttons on the side. Focus. Well, the camera focused. Anyways. Well, it also came with this little cardboard thing. Not sure if I can use it as a mouse pad, though it's made out of cardboard. And of course, the instructions and stuff. There we go. Safety, compliance, and warranty information. Nice. So that's pretty much one purpose. Play to win, of course. Anyways, that's how it looks with a little bit more focus on my camera. Also, this thing came with it too, this Velcro thing, so you can help wrap up and keep your long wire organized. This dollar store one was not bad, and the connection between the wire signal is pretty good, but a lot of times when I'm rolling it, it'll start scrolling up when I'm rolling it down, or the other way around, like it skips. So it's hard to use this thing because it doesn't work properly, and it gets frustrating from time to time. So no more of that now. Well, I just plugged it in, and it's starting to light up and showing me all these nice, beautiful rainbow colors here. So that's pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna see if it works. Let's see. Oh, okay. There it goes. Oh, it's working properly. I'm going down. I'm going up. It's working beautifully. Now, how comfortable is it? Ooh, not bad. I'm going to use back the dollar store one. It's okay, but it's not as long as the Logitech one. So it's a little lower compared to the dollar store one, but at least the back area of my hand has more support. And I'm an adult, so I'll get used to it. So it's interesting how this one supports the base part of my fingers here more, but then it lacks the palm area. While this one, it's not bad if your hands have to keep a little low, so it's not rubbing, it's not holding up against this part now, but it works out. It's all good. Anyways, that's pretty much it. The box opening.